Welcome to Cine Tech. Today, we're reviewing the SKYROVER X1 drone, a compact, feature-rich camera drone designed for creators on the go. This sub-249G model boasts 4K per 60 frames per second video, 48MP photos, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance, all with 3 batteries included for extended flight. Check the link in the description for the best price. We evaluate how well the SKYROVER X1 performs in real-world scenarios. The drone offers very strong video and photo specifications for its class, providing impressive capture quality for a compact device. Its smart creative modes and 360-degree sensing make it notably easy to fly, even for those capturing dynamic and complex aerial shots. Weighing under 249 grams and coming with 3 batteries, it's highly portable and offers extended flight durations, ideal for travel and exploration. The stable long-range transmission and 3-axis gimbal ensure smooth, reliable footage, supporting confident framing in various outdoor environments. The X1 shows robust performance for its class, but long-term ecosystem maturity remains a factor to consider for serious users. Let's break down the value proposition of the SKYROVER X1. This drone packs many high-end features, like 4K 60 frames per second video and 360-degree obstacle avoidance, often found in higher-priced alternatives. While the brand confidence score is high, recognize this is a newer player, meaning long-term support and ecosystem maturity are still developing. Against established competitors, the X1 provides a compelling feature set for its asking price, serving as a strong alternative in the market. Its value proposition becomes particularly strong when available with meaningful discounts, enhancing its competitiveness against market rivals. The X1 offers significant features for its price, particularly when found with discounts, but new brands face a hurdle in market trust. Next, we examine the potential risks and common buyer complaints. While specs are strong, long-term independent evidence on the drone's overall build quality and durability is currently limited. The consistent, long-term operational reliability is less proven compared to established brands, leading to some uncertainty for new buyers. Support and warranty services from newer brands are often less established, so buyers should consider potential post-purchase assistance challenges. The accompanying app and its ecosystem, while functional, are still less mature than leading competitors, which might impact the overall user experience. Buyer risks largely stem from the limited independent evidence and a developing support ecosystem, suggesting caution for some users. The SKYROVER X1 presents a compelling package for creators seeking advanced drone features without the premium price tag. Its strong camera, comprehensive flight modes, and portability make it an attractive option. However, the less proven long-term support and ecosystem maturity warrant consideration. If you prioritize specs and value over brand history and a deeply established support network, the X1 is definitely worth considering for your aerial photography needs.